Hello, this is Lloyd Thompson at Bell Camper Sales, Highway 75 North. We've been an RV dealer since 1967. This is our third location. We have 60 acres here at our RV ranch here on Highway 75 in Bartlesville and Dewey. Anyway, today I'm going to feature this Sportsman by KZ travel trailer that is a 28-foot inside, and it has a large slide. This is a 360-degree video, so please take advantage of that and look around the trailer as I speak to you. In the slide you'll see the refrigerator, very large spacious refrigerator, has a large overextended booth that makes a nice sized bed, a couch, and of course the dinette if you want to use it for any of those three things. Here we have the entertainment area, and it has a place for a very super large television. This RV has central heat and air ducted. Back here is the unique thing about it. Behind the sofa, which makes the bed itself, are two very large beds that support 500 pounds. There's a stairway here that goes up to the bed area, and it has its own closet and a curtain, of course, that retracts and hides the little bunkhouse bedroom. And as I said, the sofa that lays down and makes a bed also. So you have plenty of sleeping area. And two, I spoke to you about the booth making a bed. Lots of storage. This has a sound bar in it. In the kitchen it has one-piece countertops. You don't have to worry about these flanges coming loose by glue and water. They don't come loose. It's all one piece. It has real drawers, real wood, real metal runners on the drawers. 3 drawers there. Spacious area under the sink to put a trash can. That's usually something that you don't have room for. It has an oven with a window in it and a sunken stove top, and of course igniter for the stove. This trailer only weighs, it's very light, only about 5,900 pounds, so you pull it with about anything. LED lighting, electric awning, 2 doors, one in the bedroom, one in the living area to enter in, lots of outside storage also. Okay, let's go look at some more of the We're in the bedroom of the 281 BHSS Sportsman travel trailer by KZ RV. An RV company's been around for about 50 years, and we've sold them for probably 35 or 40 years here at Bell Camper Sales. They have real tongue and groove plyboard floors, 16-inch centers for the floor joists and the roof rafters. Very well built, not a foam floor in this trailer. Be sure to be very careful of foam floor RVs. Here we have the real one-piece door that actually slides to the bathroom. You see the nice spacious bedroom. It has storage outside that goes clear across, and it has its own door that goes outside of the RV. It also has 2 large closets, and it even has little stands in the back to put your cell phone on or your water bottle. Your panel box is back here, which would be a converter box in an RV. Place for a television here. You put it on an arm and swing it around and make it very convenient for you. The bathroom is right inside this area. I don't know if you can see. You step through get to the bathroom with the real door from the bedroom and then on into the living room. Has a step-in shower, has a foot flush toilet, and it has a sink area and a linen area too. So I want to show you that. We're in the small bathroom, but it's very spacious for a little trailer. Has a coat hanger, has a step-in shower, one-piece surround in the shower, so you don't have to worry about water leaking like it would if you had several pieces of surround. Also the lavatories here, storage under the lavatory, and then behind there you'll see in this 360-degree video the linen area, storage area, and a cabinet that shuts also. Has the fan in here too, has a foot flush toilet. Come see us at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North, and take advantage of these wonderful prices. With this pandemic, everybody is social distancing with these RVs, and the best thing you can do for your family, and we have them on big discounts just to keep everything going around Bell Camper Sales. Come and see our new location here in Bartlesville on the north side of Highway 75, just before you get into the city
of doing. Thank you.